country people. Now we, the Association of Table Water Producers of Nigeria, we been here say una dey para on top say pure water don turn 20 naira. Now so we see am una suppose know say we no go do anything to vex una, but the price of the things wey we dey take do the water don put money, and we need to maintain strict good manufacturing practices, the one wey we dey call GMP for our profession, so that people no go dey drink water dey sick, dey purge or even die. Quality na im we dey sell for our industry, and for us to fit maintain standard, we bin need put money on top pure water to 20 naira. We promise to dey produce safe and clean water for una. This message na from the Association of Table Water Producers of Nigeria.